Hi, my name is Drew Mackley. I'm Product Line Manager for CSI's portable products for machinery health management. One of those portable products we're going to talk about today is the CSI 2130 Machinery Health Analyzer. It's a portable vibration analyzer that customers take into the field and monitor vibration levels on rotating assets. One thing that customers have mentioned is that while they're standing next to the asset, they would like more of an indication of what the health of that asset is while they're in the field next to the asset. And so several things that the CSI 2130 can do to help facilitate that is, as you can see on the screen here, after you collect the data, there's an immediate feedback as to if any alarms have been tripped on that machine, and also what parameters may have gone into alarm. So you can see here I've got a red alarm, and then I can also see the percent levels of how much that alarm's been exceeded. Also, we can then plot the data, and as you can see, since we have a large screen here, we can see multiple plots on the screen at the same time. So we can look at the waveform, we can analyze the vibration spectrum, and it's large enough to actually be useful to analyze the data in the field itself. When the user collects route vibration data and they do see an indication of a potential problem on the machine, it's nice that the CSI 2130 also has a full extensive battery of tests that the user can then perform to troubleshoot the health of that equipment even further while they're in the field, rather than getting back to the office and finding out that they should have collected additional data while they were at that machine. So to illustrate this, you can see these tests that we have available on the analyzer right at the customer's fingertips, such as collecting a higher resolution acquisition or a higher frequency if it's a high-speed rotating machine, doing a peak view analysis for looking for bearing or gear faults, detecting turning speed, and then also there's a whole page of other tests, troubleshooting tests that can be performed, such as a bump test with the equipment either on or off to look for resonance. And then also we've got coast down, peak hold and peak and phase tests, a rotor bar test for AC induction motors looking for cracked or broken rotor bars, order tracking if it's a variable speed machine, this is very useful, synchronous analysis, orbit plots, and then a cross-channel phase looking for various other faults. So there's a very deep toolbox here that the customer can utilize to further troubleshoot machine problems while they're in the field, making the most efficient use of their time.